Today is day 5 of our stay at Rio Palace, Cabo San Lucas. And today, we will see El Arco, the most iconic landmark here in Cabo. Enjoy watching! Hi guys, we're gonna ride in a crudo.
¿Habla español?
Sí.
Ah, qué bien. So we're gonna go straight ahead to the boat. You're gonna be approximately 45 minutes on the boat.
Okay.
Then you're gonna have some time to take a look at the pictures they have. And at 2:15, I will gonna meet you one more time. But at the time we get there, I will let you know our meeting point. ¿Está bien?
Yeah. Remember that. There's a Starbucks. I saw that there, huh?
Okay, this is gonna Dios que le hot, right? Dios que le hot? Or is it good for you? Where are you from?
It's good.
Is it good?
Are you in the middle?
Are you? Okay. So this is your first time in Mexico? That's wonderful. You have to know about me. I was raised born here, so everything you want to ask, just let me know, okay? I'll try to answer all your questions with true honesty and everything I know, okay? So I pretty know this area very much, and the beaches we're gonna visit right there. I grew up and well, I learned how to swim. So just let me know everything you want to ask. The only way to get to this beach is getting a water test. Reaching for the ducks, drops you here for a couple hours. The only way to get here. And well, it's a very nice area. Actually, you can just get your big one if you want to. There's no way, so. Yeah. Do you remember Dory?
Yeah.
Well, this is the surgeon fish.
Wow.
It's the same species as Dory. The one with the yellow tail? That's it. Yeah, sir. Do that. Just set it on video and just leave it on the floor.
Yeah.
That's a puffer fish right there. Pez globo. Ahí anda el canijo.
Wow.
Nice.
Yo aquí no puedo decir por el norte. Welcome to the arch. Now you can say you came to Cabo San Lucas. You come to Cabo San Lucas, but you didn't come here. Like it. So, we're gonna take a couple of pictures. But we're gonna do it by family, and obviously we need to keep the balance in the boat. So. We are ending our tour. Hope you like it. Hope you really have fun. We got lost from a captain. Show us like for a couple seconds. The whale back there. Como así que me oyen la captain and me. We actually work for kids. You guys know about this. Cuando vaya a pasar por ahí lo Es que se la vida aquí. This guy lives here all the time.
Really?
Yeah.
Cool.
Mire, de hecho,
We also visited Museo Tequila and a blown glass factory.
Let me check something. How many Fahrenheit? Next color purple, color blue. And they also have to use a little bit of gold, just in some of the cases, to obtain color yellow or color red. Even they are very young because they are experts, because they are learning generation on generation. Remember that those items, it will be ready tomorrow afternoon, after 24 hours. And the temperature of the item, 900 Fahrenheit. So make sure you got everything with you.
Okay, yes.
If we
Are you liking it here, Sophie?
Yes.
We're loving it here.